How does Westjet dollars work, or how you can redeem your Westjet dollars? Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you and explain you on how Westjet dollars work or how you can use it. It's your choice. You can use your Westjet dollars to pay for flights or vacation packages. Redeem as few, starting with the minimum, or as many as you want on the base fare portion of the economy, premium or business fares, or pay the full base fare with the Westjet dollars when you choose a member exclusive fare. You can also use it toward the base package price of any eligible Westjet vacations or eligible Sunwing vacations booking. You can travel on any date with no blackouts, and it's that easy. Now, the new thing is you can redeem Westjet dollars with Sunwing vacations and access full 5+ destinations in the sunny south. All you have to do is you'll have to call their contact center. You'll also be able to redeem Westjet dollars on sunwing.ca. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.